Look at me. Lean in and listen to me closely, because we are going to talk about your money, your time, and your peace of mind in this second act of your life. You are looking at building an e-commerce or a dropshipping business because you want freedom. You want extra income to supplement your retirement, or maybe you want to secure a legacy for your kids and grandkids. And you've run into these two giants, Spocket and AutoDS. You are asking me, Susie, which one is better? Where do I put my hard-earned cash, and which one is going to protect my sanity? I get it. The fear is real. You are terrified of making a mistake, of throwing money down a digital black hole, or worse, getting trapped in a customer service nightmare because a product took 4 weeks to arrive from halfway across the world. You do not have the time or the energy to micromanage thousands of listings or handle angry phone calls when you should be enjoying your morning coffee or spending time with your family. Let's strip away all the tech jargon, all the fluff, and look at the raw truth of what these two platforms actually do, because they solve entirely different problems. Spocket is a curated marketplace. Their entire claim to fame is that roughly 80% of their suppliers are located right here in the United States or Europe. Do you know what that means for you? It means speed. It means reliability. When a customer orders a beautiful item from your store, it doesn't sit on a container ship for 30 days. It arrives at their doorstep in 2 to 5 days. Spocket handles the vetting process for you. They check out the suppliers to ensure the quality is high. And they allow you to put your own brand name and your own invoice inside the box. That creates trust. It builds a real asset. But it comes at a cost. Spocket is more expensive. Their entry plans start around $40 a month, and if you want the premium products, you are paying even more. Your variety is limited to about 1,000 vetted suppliers. It is a smaller, more focused ecosystem. Now let's look at AutoDS. AutoDS is an automation powerhouse. It is not just a marketplace, it is a system built to run your store on autopilot. They connect you to over 25 global suppliers, huge names like Amazon, Walmart, Wayfair, and yes, AliExpress. We are talking about hundreds of millions of products at your fingertips. If your goal is to cast a massive net, test hundreds of trending items, and let artificial intelligence optimize your prices, monitor your stock levels hourly, and fulfill your orders hands-free, AutoDS wins hand down on raw utility. Their pricing starts much lower, around $12 to $13 a month depending on the platform you use. It is highly efficient, and it gives you massive scale. But here is where the fear creeps back in, and here is the question you must ask yourself: what kind of business do you actually want to run at this stage in your life? If you choose AutoDS and start sourcing from global retail giants or international suppliers, you are taking on a hidden risk. You are dealing with varying return policies, unpredictable shipping times, and potential quality control issues. If a supplier on the other side of the world goes out of stock or changes their shipping policy, and you have hundreds of items listed, you have to rely completely on the software to catch it. It requires you to understand pricing rules, configuration settings, and data monitoring. It has a steeper learning curve. Is that how you want to spend your retirement hours? Tweaking automation rules and managing data streams? On the flip side, if you choose Spocket, you are paying a premium every single month just to open the doors. If you aren't making sales yet, $40 or $100 a month flying out of your retirement account hurts. It cuts into your fixed income. And because the product catalog is smaller, it takes more manual effort to find those unique items that will truly stand out and command a high profit margin. So, is Spocket better than AutoDS? The honest answer is that neither is universally better. They are better for different types of people. If you are someone who wants to build a small, beautiful, high-quality boutique store, maybe 20 or 30 carefully selected items, where you know the quality is stellar, the shipping is lightning fast, and your customers feel valued by your personal branding, then Spocket is absolutely worth the higher monthly fee. It protects your reputation, and it protects your sleep at night because you can trust the domestic delivery times. But, if you are a numbers person, if you love data, if you want to test the waters with hundreds of different products to see what sticks without risking a high monthly overhead, AutoDS is the superior financial tool. It gives you maximum control and full end-to-end automation for a fraction of the entry cost, provided you are willing to spend the initial time climbing the learning curve to set it up correctly. Here is your actionable takeaway, and I want you to do this today. Do not pull out your credit card and buy a full year of either platform just because you are excited. First, look at your retirement budget. If a higher monthly software fee scares you, start with AutoDS. Take advantage of their low-cost trial, log into the system, and look at the interface. See if the automation controls make sense to you or if they make your head spin. Second, decide on your product strategy. If you know you only want to sell high-end, reliable goods to U.S. customers with fast shipping, skip the complexity of AutoDS and go straight to Spocket's free browse option. Look at their suppliers. See if the products match your vision. You must align your business tool with your personal capacity and your financial comfort zone. Do not let the tech world rush you, and do not let the fear of missing out dictate your choices. Stand in your truth, understand your limits, protect your retirement nest egg, and choose the tool that serves your lifestyle, not the other way around. You can do this, but you must do it smartly.